गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
गुरु एक ऐसा शाश्वत सत्य जो जीवन का साक्षात्कार करवाता है। माँ बाप जीवन प्रदान करते हैं, परंतु गुरु वो है जो हमारे उस जीवन को आकार देता है। और उच्चतम गुरु की पहचान एक उच्चतम संस्थान के उच्च मूल्यों के माध्यम से ही हो सकती है। हर एक शिष्य उस कच्ची मिट्टी के समान होता है जिसमें स्कूल रूपी पानी और गुरु रूपी हाथ उस मिट्टी को एक पक्के घड़े की आकृति प्रदान करते हैं। और आज हमारा ये स्कूल आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल एक ऐसी मजबूत नींव बन गई है जहाँ किसी भी कच्चे घड़े को मनचाही आकृति प्रदान की जा सकती है। आइए जानते हैं सफर एपीएस का।
Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Abiding by the golden words said by the charismatic leader, the foundation of Army Public School was laid in 1971. Its founder, Mrs. Sita Rowley, wife of Lieutenant General H.C. Rowley, aimed to provide quality education and vision to prepare budding minds to grow and blossom in the best possible manner, while giving them an insight into the outside world by imparting knowledge. A renowned name in education imparting an overall child's development, Army Public School Jalandhar Cant was started as a nursery school and later named Vajra Army School in 1982. The school started getting recognition when it was upgraded to Class 10 and was affiliated by Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi on 1st May 1982. She embarked on a rough journey and by the grace of God, her hard work and constant efforts helped the school in becoming a senior secondary school in 1988, as well as got well-deserved recognition across the city. The school was renamed as Army School in the same year. Once the senior management of the school ensured first-class English medium education for all its students, it started preparing students in co-curricular activities. The school introduced its students to various activities and sports, namely dance, karate, recitation, competition, creative writing and poem-making competition, music, English communication enhancement classes, story narration, elocution, dramatics, debate, table and lawn tennis, chess, badminton and so many more. Mrs. Rowley also kept herself updated with the advancements in technology and knew that computer will play a significant role in the 21st century and so on. In her guidance, the school decided to build a fully equipped computer lab and by late 1990s had introduced computer as a separate subject and teachers with higher degree in computer science were hired. Every student from every class was introduced to computer technology. The starting of the session 2002-2003 was crucial for the school as it was finally upgraded to Army Public School and had already become a role model for other schools in the city for its computer-aided learning and overall child development approach. The school at that time was being operated from different locations and a new school building was constructed in 2005. It was inaugurated by Lieutenant General Mohinder Singh PVSM, AYSM, UYSM, AG on 27 June 2005. The school finally shifted into a new building in July 2008. The school achieved new heights with 3,730 admissions in 2013 from 2,200 in 2000. The new building of the school is equipped with the state-of-the-art infrastructure. The school believes on Walter Cronkite's invaluable words, "Whatever the cost of our libraries, the price is cheap compared to that of an ignorant nation," and thus maintains a well-stocked library. Several labs, for subjects like maths, biotech, biology, chemistry, computers, physics are also maintained by the school, and the students are given practical classes time to time for better understanding of their curricula. The school campus is Wi-Fi enabled and has digital language lab. Every pupil is given significant amount of time to learn the ins and outs of computers. To motivate feeling of engaging in social welfare activities, it has also introduced its students to NCC. The school offers students a play area and motivate them to take part in different sports and mass activities like theatre activity and various competitions. The excellent faculty is the school's pillar of strength. All the teachers and academicians of the school have relevant experience in nurturing young brigades of India. Each teacher has been provided a laptop so that they can focus on computer-aided learning of the students. The wonderful news is that the school, which has always been the temple of aspiring scholars and future professionals, will be awarded for Best Improved Performance in Academic among all APS across the country. Apart from education and co-curricular activities, the school also focuses on encouraging leadership, cooperation, patriotism, brotherhood, truthfulness and positive attitude towards life in all the students. In the end, we should not forget, education is like a tree. If the foundation is strong, the tree would grow stronger and live for a longer duration, bearing more fruits.